Welcome to this tour of room 12501, a solo studio room, and we'll also take a look at the solo studio lounge shortly. As we step in the room then, you'll see we have the makeup room and do not disturb signs, followed by the thermostat next door, and then you've got the room card holder which also controls all of the lights, and the light switch for the bathroom there. Nice big sealed shower unit, no nasty plastic, full length mirror, and then the separate WC bathroom, toilet, whatever you want to refer to it as. Flipping round then, we have plenty of storage space for one. Lots of towels there, you've got the hand dryer, some tissues, and then you've also got more storage space here. Drawer and a cupboard. You've got the under the sink space where you've got the bin there. Extra toilet rolls. And then you've got the wash up area, dispensing soap, and another mirror. Oh, and I almost forgot. Conditioning shampoo and body wash are included in the shower for your use. No separate conditioner. I do get asked that quite a lot. Quite a number of hangers in there, but as always you can ask the room steward or room attendant if you need more. More storage space down there. And then we've got the TV, which has just started playing the safety video and I can't seem to stop it. I think I've watched this about 3 times already now. There we go, so TV there, and then you also have socket. So you've got one US, ignore my phone there, and you've also got one European. Lights turn on and off above the TV with that switch, and then you have a footstool which also has a removable tray which you can put on your lap to eat if you want to. I did check, but it doesn't have storage inside, unfortunately. And then you've got another wardrobe. In this one is the safe. So can't open that one fully because of the footstool in the way. You've got more hangers there, and the safe. And then more storage there, and then next to the bed you have a telephone, USB sockets here, and switches for overhead, and I believe that's a reading light. And then you have I think that is the virtual sea view. There we go. So that's your virtual balcony. That's the live view outside of Seattle right now. Let's close that down. And then lastly, the bed. So unlike the original solo rooms, this isn't quite a double, but I'm sure it will be fine for me for 7 nights on board. So that completes the tour of the solo room. Now let's go and have a look at the solo lounge. I think you might be impressed. If you found this tour useful, then do drop me a like and please consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye now.